Hey guys, last update of the day. I'm getting ready to call it a day. It's been a hot one here in South Texas. I got the fenders mounted up kind of where they should be, right in the ballpark. So the gapping could probably be a little bit better, which I'll put some shims in it and that should raise it up right where it needs to be. But I discovered a lot more that I'm going to have to modify in order to make this front end work. First, I modified the radiator support to drop it. And of course, I didn't think about this part right here that actually mounts up underneath here to the support that goes to each fender. So now this is going to have to be chopped down and moved back. Super duper. Also, I discovered something else that I'm going to have a problem with. I don't have room for a battery anymore. Where it's supposed to go right here. There's just no room. I can't get a battery to it. So, I'm going to come right here on the firewall and I'm going to seal all that up. I went ahead and ordered a firewall mounting box so I can go ahead and put the battery on the firewall and be safe. So yeah, got all that done. And of course I started on this. This is the original tab for mounting the fender to the core support. And I had another fender that I got off the parts farm down in Brownsville. And yeah, this thing's nice. Parts on it. And trust me, fender was no saving. I know how hard it is these 59 fenders to come by. If I could have saved it, I would, but I sacrificed it. Some parts of it went to another guy with a 59, and I kept some of the metal pieces to a home microwave. Tomorrow I'll start measuring, and then I'll get the other side cut, which I just have a 2x4 stuck in just to give it the height. And then I'll get the two mounting tabs done, and then start working on the hood hinges. Man, I'm tired. I finally figured out why I was having trouble with the hood hinges. You know, I'm an Oldsmobile guy. A lot on Cadillac, and this lip for Oldsmobile is always onto the inside that faces outward towards the street. Well, Cadillac's on the inside, and I just didn't realize it. So that gave me a little bit of a mind, you know, so it messed up my mind a little bit, and figured it out on my own, and so yeah, it's getting there. But hopefully in the next couple of days, this will all be mounted on permanently. Waiting for patch panels for the rockers and the passenger side fender. It's in the mail, should be coming up. I don't know if I'm going to run inner fender wells or not. I need to see how they are going to mount, if I have to make special mounts for them, and how much trouble it's going to be, because this car is not a car that I'm going to be driving in, you know, bad weather or anything. It's going to be for charity events, taking out like the children's hospitals, and just events that really help the community, because that's what I do here in Corpus Christi. Anything I can do to give back to the community that's given so much to me. And South Texas Haunts and Corpus Christi Central, I'm all for it. This is one of those projects that I can't wait to see the kids' faces light up when this thing's going down the road. I'm going to call it a day and go soak my hand. And make sure to like, follow on this adventure, because after the Ecto-1 is done, I've got a 68 convertible I'm going to start working on. And then I got to get back on the RoboCop car, which if you haven't seen it yet, check out my other videos. I have a Ford Taurus that I dressed up as the RoboCop car from the movie. And I used that for a little while. Started having some problems. I took it off the road. I need to invest some time into that. So that's a whole other slew of things. So I hope you guys have a safe, cool Friday night. I'm gonna go relax, because the heat has done got to me. So thank everybody for watching. You guys are awesome. Make sure to like and follow for more.